Ever wondered how to learn coding fast? It's a question that seems to be on everyone's mind these days. In the next 7 minutes, a journey into the world of coding awaits, unveiling the secrets to mastering this skill swiftly and efficiently. The first step on this journey is embracing the mindset of a coder. This isn't about being a math whiz or a tech genius, it's about problem solving. Think of coding like learning a new language, a language that helps communicate with computers. So, dive in with an open mind, ready to solve puzzles and overcome challenges. Next comes the selection of a programming language. It might seem overwhelming given the plethora of languages available, but fear not. Start with something beginner-friendly like Python or JavaScript. These languages are not only in high demand, but also have a syntax that's easy to understand, making them perfect for beginners. After choosing a language, it's all about practice. Coding is a skill, and like any other skill, it improves with practice. But what does practicing coding look like? It involves writing code, lots of it. Start with simple programs, gradually moving to more complex ones. Remember, it's not about the quantity of code written, but the quality and understanding behind it. Now, it's time to talk about resources. Fortunately, the digital age provides an abundance of free and paid resources to learn coding. Websites like Code Academy, Free Code Camp, and Coursera offer interactive lessons and projects that allow hands-on experience. Books and coding bootcamps are also helpful tools. Use these resources to learn, practice, and refine coding skills. One of the most overlooked aspects of learning coding is understanding the importance of debugging. Errors are part and parcel of a coder's life. They are not setbacks, but learning opportunities. Debugging involves identifying and fixing errors in code. It's an essential skill that improves with time and experience. Finally, the last step is to work on real-world projects. This might sound daunting, but it's the best way to apply learned skills. Building a website, creating an app, or even automating a simple task can be a great starting point. Not only does this provide practical experience, but it also helps build a portfolio, which is crucial for job applications. To summarize, learning coding fast involves embracing a coder's mindset, choosing the right programming language, practicing regularly, using the right resources, honing debugging skills, and working on real-world projects. It's a journey that requires patience, persistence, and a lot of practice. But with the right approach, it's a skill that anyone can master. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. In coding, that first step is writing the first line of code. So don't wait. Start coding today. The world of coding awaits you with its endless possibilities and opportunities.